A little rain never hurt nobody.
My last day of the trip for Powell Peralta, New York East Coast trip. We're actually in New Jersey right now, pretty sure. But yeah, this is it. Last day of the trip and it's raining, so everyone else is out eating a fancy breakfast right now, and me and this dude are out here in this shit trying to get it in. There's no indoor parks in the area that are open, so I don't want to waste the opportunity, you know?
Little fit. True. Stomping. Oh. No way. Damn. In the rain.
Oh god, it feels crazy. You just go back and forth constantly, like I don't have to wait for anybody.
That's the advantage of skating in the rain, huh?
Nobody's here.
No one's here. You got the park to yourself.
I can wax whatever I want. No one's gonna say shit except you. Should we try like a hard trick on the rail?
Do it.
Okay.
What do you got? What do you got?
I think crook ollie flip. Just get that out of the way now.
All right.
My feet could easily slip over. I'm not gonna think about that. Happy thoughts. The Uber driver's gonna be so pissed when he picks us up. We're just out here like fucking getting drenched. I feel like they might not let us in, dude.
Just leave mildew in his car.
That's kind of cool.
Oh!
I almost did it. Every time I do flip tricks, water like gets scooped up and thrown right in my face. Oh, damn. Oh no. Oh fuck. Damn it.
Oh!
Shit, primo.
Thank double.
Ass is totally wet now. Sick.
Did you leave that dry spot? Is that you?
If I slam it, if I can clean this whole place. The little ledge over there would be sick. Wax that thing up and see it.
Oh my gosh. Damn, that was icy. Damn. It's kind of sick though. The sounds of skating in the rain are a lot different from just skating in normal weather. Oh no! We forgot water.
Kind of look like a nun right now.
Me?
Yeah. You got the black thing over your hand with like the white. Dude looks like, oh my god, that was so perfect.
Hey, you maybe got to ollie over this fat barrier?
Out of the bank?
Yeah.
Shit, I don't know if I get speed, but I'm down to try. This thing's beefy. This thing is pretty big.
Oh snap, it is so tall.
Seems like probably the wrong distance, but even if I miss, it might be a good slam. So close. It's big as fuck, dude. I just gotta snap it like John Bradford now. It's kind of scary because I can't really roll in to get speed, which is what I'd probably usually do. Just because it's wet and I'll probably die. Alright, that wasn't so bad.
Dude, that was huge.
Oh, you this way? Imagine. Shit. Damn, that was scary. I thought I bailed and I looked down and board's under me. God, sick. Didn't die. It's crusty, but I got a trick for it.
You're kidding.
Someone left their phone here? We're gonna find Jaden Hunt on Instagram at the end of the video, and we will find this person. That was all his shit that I pushed off earlier.
That's crazy.
This dude's gonna be stoked. We're gonna find him in the video. That's gonna come out in like 6 months.
To be continued. Oh!
Fuck.
Oh, that was it.
Damn it. Oh, I thought I was gonna flip. I think my board's too flat. Oh my god, I want this so bad, but I feel like I'm just wasting my time. What the hell?
For Jaden.
Oh my god, I gotta keep going.
Skating in the rain doesn't really faze you, huh? Oh. Oh. There's that little skateboard on the sign.
Yeah, right.
That's pretty cool.
All I got is his name, so we're gonna try to find him on Instagram. Imagine he's one of those dudes that like doesn't have social media. Wait, there's a phone number. I'll just call this phone number that he's getting messages from, and then maybe they can tell me how to find him. Hey, there's a police station right here. We'll just leave it there, okay?
Oh, yeah. Leave it at the police station.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right, you got it.
I'll pick it up then.
All right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. Bye.